Hello everyone, this is Joe. This video will unbox the PIR motion detect camera. Now first let's see what we have in the box. This is the quick guide, some tool and the screw. This is the power adapter. And the 10-meter extension cable. It allows us to put the adapter a little bit far away from the camera. Now this is the PIR motion detect camera. Actually, there's no motion sensor inside the camera. It's only the spy camera hitting in a dummy housing. Normally, the camera will install on the wall and facing to the entrance and exit. So this camera has high possibility to catch the facial detail. It doesn't like the smoke detector camera or the dummy camera installed in the ceiling. Normally, it's only see the head of the person. Alright, the only single cable. This is for DC power, which means we only can connect this camera to the Wi-Fi network. There's no wire connectivity. Also, the single cable it's more easy for us to hide the connection in the wall. Okay, now let's open the front cover. More tool, and there has two red arrows. Alright, that's it. The camera using the pinhole lens, a small pinhole lens, and there has Wi-Fi antenna and the SD slot, so we can install SD card and record all video in the camera. This is 128 GB SD card. There's reset button next to the SD card. So if we forget the password or if we input the wrong password, we need the reset button. This is the IR cut filter for true day and night. It will cut off the infrared on day and let all the infrared in at night. Right now, let's power up the camera and see the performance. Power data. In order to connect the camera to our Wi-Fi network, the camera needs to know the password of the network. It's similar as our mobile phone or tablet, but for the mobile phone, they has the display and the keypad, so it's easier for us to input the password. But there's no display, so we need to use the apps. This is the apps we install. When the camera power up, actually it will create a small access point, allow the apps to connect directly. Let's log in. Okay, let's delete. This is not what we want. Now we click more. There's AP mode. This is the instruction for us to connect the access point of the camera. See the name IPC OF79. This is the we connect to the access point. The password is 123768990. Now we return to the apps. Our camera's live now. We switch to the full screen. Now we take a few seconds to watch the live. Now we log in the setting of the camera. Here we have the Wi-Fi setting. We switch to Wi-Fi routing mode. We can input the username, the name of the Wi-Fi network, and the password, and click save. So the camera will connect to our Wi-Fi network. Just one more thing, because the Wi-Fi camera only can use Wi-Fi connectivity. So before we install, we need to make sure the Wi-Fi coverage Wi-Fi signal is good enough in the installation place. We can simply take the tablet or your mobile phone to check the Wi-Fi setting. If it's good, then we can move forward. That's all. Be sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can post in the comment section below. If you have further questions, you can find us on some social media. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.